Want to learn how to disable saved messages for 24 hours on Snapchat? Snapchat is a well-known messaging service that enables users to communicate with friends via text, image, and videos. The app tells user when their friends save talks as one of its functions. This can be helpful for keeping track of talks, but some users may worry about their privacy. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to disable saved messages for 24 hours on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat on your device. Click on the chat icon at the bottom bar. Long tap on particular person you want to disable saved messages for 24 hours for. From the pop-up menu, tap on Chat Settings. Tap on Delete Chats. Tap on Option after viewing. There you go, these simple steps will show you how to disable saved messages for 24 hours on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.